Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today we'll be looking at Rocky Rabbit. As a lot of people have been asking questions about this Rocky Rabbit. Now listen, an important notice: you have earned a total of 5.8 million rabbit points for upcoming airdrop. That's good. Please note, if you do not complete the eligibility task, this point will not be converted into rabbit and will be burned. And it will be burned. Okay, so what are those eligibility criteria that you must perform before you be eligible for hamster for Rocky Rabbit airdrop? So coming to this place quickly, to click on this go to eligibility task, let's see what are those eligibility. But before we dive in clearly, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do what to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. And one thing you must check again, when the counting down is already here, and the time is 1 day, 30 minutes, 21 day, 13 hours, 22 minutes, and just seconds. Okay, so go quickly to complete your eligibility. So what are those eligibilities? The eligibility says to qualify for the RBTC airdrop, please ensure you complete all three required tasks. These tasks help verify genuine users. Rocky Rabbit will cover network fee, which will be credited to your wallet, during the airdrop withdrawals. Users who finish the task earliest will be patronized when the airdrop is launched. And you see, these are just the three criteria that you must perform. One, you must connect your wallet, which is the most easiest one. Two, you must make a tone transaction. Okay, you must make a tone transaction. And three, you must subscribe to the channel, which I've done this too. The only one left is the tone transactions. So you're going to go into fund your tone wallet, or you fund your tone space on telegrams in order to perform these simple transactions and be eligible. Okay, and here you can see clearly that the time is counting down. So these are simply the eligibility criteria. Okay, so looking into this Rocky Rabbit, you can see always come to click on this N to take your daily earnings, to take your daily reward, sorry. And you can as well, if you are a content creator, you can as well create a content that has to do with Rocky Rabbit, and you'll be given a lot of millions of this coin. Okay, you'll be given 100k to 100 millions of this coin, right? If you create your own content that has to do with Rocky Rabbit, you talk about Rocky Rabbit a lot, advertise it, and come to this place, and come to this place in order to upload that very content. So the moment you upload it, you'll be given a lot of coins from Rocky Rabbit. Okay, you'll be given a lot of coins from Rocky Rabbit, and in this place you come here in mind to take your daily combos. These are the daily combos. You come there to take your daily combos. If you have the daily combos, you can come to this place to play games. Freshman require tournament to play games. Come to this place to invite friends to join you on Rocky Rabbit. Okay, to join you on Rocky Rabbit. So here is their airdrop. In this place is where you expect your airdrop. So watch carefully. The most important thing is to do these three things that qualifies you for the airdrop. You just connect your wallet, make your tone transactions, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so thank you so much. I would like to stop here. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.